What's that? Can you show me? Oh, is that a house for them?
Yeah.
Oh, here comes Ridley.
No, that's Liberty.
Oh, that's Liberty? Yeah, you're better at telling the Groodles apart than I am, aren't you? He's wagging his tail. He says, I want to play. Oh, he's going to go away now. Oh, some guy's trying to get past you. Is that your little farmhouse? Daphne loves animals, don't you, sweetie? Yeah. You always want to take every animal you see home, don't you?
Yeah, it's a bed.
It's a bed?
Yeah, it's a hello.
Oh, for like cows and horses?
I love it so. Wherever I go, I do 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 do.
What do you need?
I need this.
Oh, the little fireman guy?
Yeah.
From the blues to rhapsody,
Dom.
Okay.
they all come and go.
You know what you need.
There's one I know that'll linger in peace.
Shut
I sing all the
down.
blues of past.
Down.
Rhapsody to be a jest. So if you want to please me, just take this one request. Please
Whoa,
play for
that
me
caused a
that
commotion.
sweet
Lots of animals.
melody called do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. I like the rest, but what I like best is
And the
do-do-do-do,
squeezy way.
do-do-do-do.
Am I in the way?
Yup,
Simplest
way.
thing, there's nothing much to it. Don't have to
Which,
sing, just do
Who
do
is
do
this,
it.
Dad?
I love
He's
it
mine?
so.
Yeah, he's
Wherever
mine.
I go,
Okay, here.
I
You give them to me now.
do-do-do-do.
What are you playing with?
Please play
I'm
for
playing
me
with these
that sweet
animals.
melody.
Oh, you're the animals.
Do-do-do-do. I like the rest, but what I like
Oh, is that your tub of animals?
Yeah.
do-do-do-do.
What did you find?
Simplest thing, there's nothing much to
Who's that?
it. Don't
Is that a
have to
horse?
sing,
No.
just doodle-do-do.
Oh, it's a...
I
Horse.
love it
It is a
so.
horse, yeah.
Wherever I go, I doodle-do-do.
Hi, Mr. Horsey.
Me.
How are ya?
I'm watching in the bed.
He's in the bed.
Yeah, mouse. That's a piggy.
A pig?
Yeah.
Here, show me. Let's see. Let's see close up.
Big.
It's a pig?
Yeah.
That looks like a doggy.
No, that's a pig.
Are you teasing Daddy again?
No, that's a pig.
Yeah, can you say that with a straight face?
No, that's a pig.
Let's see him again.
No, he's a pig.
Okay, he's a pig. If you say he's a pig. I think you're messing with Daddy again. You do that a lot.
That's a doodle. Look.
Okay, what's this guy?
That's a little doodle.
What?
That's a little doodle.
That's a doodle?
No, that's a little doodle.
Have.
There's chicken.
That's not a chicken. That's an elephant.
No, that's a chicken.
You know your animals.
No, that's a chicken.
Really?
Yeah.
How come you're telling me different things?
Why is chicken?
Are you being silly with Daddy?
Horse.
What's that? Let's see the horse. That's a cow.
Moo. It says moo. No, moo.
Is that Liberty?
Yeah, but it's out the way.
No, Liberty's coming in because she knows that you're messing with Daddy, telling him the wrong animals. See? Liberty? What's Liberty? Is he a cow?
No.
Is he a horse?
No.
Is he an elephant?
No.
What's he?
The dog.
A dog. Are you being a silly Billy?
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
You're a Billy silly.
No.
No, now here comes Ridley. It's getting crowded in here. Seng-kyi. Seng-kyi's not happy. Hey, wait, Daphne. I think he's got something in his mouth. Let's go check. Okay. I'm being attacked by Doodles.
Wow.
Yes. They're like big giant monsters coming through, knocking everything down, aren't they?
Yeah.
Are they silly?
Yeah, them silly.
Okay, is that a horse?
No, horse.
Let's see.
Right there.
Show Daddy.
But she's the fastest.
Oh, that's the horses.
Daddy has his grass.
He's got glasses on?
Yeah.
Wow, a horse with sunglasses. He's pretty cool.
Yeah, she's pretty slow. Where's the baby?
Meanwhile,
The chicken.
Seng-kyi's still beating up his slipper. Jump, Seng-kyi, jump! Jump! Can you throw him back his shoe, Dabs? He doesn't want to jump over your thing. Ah, you got me good. Oh, chicken? Okay, is that where they're gonna go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them in.
Daddy's somewhere.
That's their home?
Yeah.
Well, that's nice. Well, where's your chicken?
The toy room.
In the toy room. Everything's here in the toy room. Is he in the box of animals?
Yeah.
Can we find them?
Yeah.
That's your Paw Patrol bin and your assorted animals bin, and you have all your cars out, right? Yeah. Hate to say it, but over your shoulder there's a dinosaur. Right there. Right there behind you. It's a dinosaur. Ah!
No, it's a baby.
Oh, he's just a baby?
Yeah.
Oh. You gonna pet him?
Get them slowly like that.
And that makes him feel loved?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and where's the second Sasa? Whoa! He's thinking bones and second somewhere.
Oh, is he climbing up there?
Now he's mowing the station.
Oh. I think he thinks he's a car.
No, he's the Sasa. Why are those? He was in the second heavyweight.
Seng-kyi. Seng-kyi can hear Birdie and Ridley wrestling on.
Station.
Okay, let me go put them outside if they're gonna wrestle.
Where's the chicken?
Your chicken? Well, let's look for your chicken. Okay, we fixed.
Where's Becky?
Now, is that your chicken?
No. Yeah, where's the Becky?
The which one? The pig? We'll go look in your toy box. You're the one that found the chicken. I was looking, but I couldn't find them. Well, go check your animal box. Because you have a pig, don't you?
No.
Yes, you do. Somewhere.
Just this side. No.
No.
No Becky in there.
Are you sure? Well, where would he have gotten to?
Dogs.
The dogs? Liberty and Ridley ate them?
No.
play? What are these two guys doing?
Well, the second.
Hey. Hi. What are you doing?
The horse and wow.
I thought you were playing with me.
Me.
Oh. What happened? Cock-a-doodle-doo?
Yeah, he was tired. I put him on the bed.
Okay. Little Seng-kyi's here.
Thank you, monster.
He's playing a monster today? Okay. Here's our little guys. Hi, peekaboo. So what do we need to do, sweets? Are you going to have some animals out?
Yeah.
Moo.
Me?
Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's right. He's still wearing his glasses. Oink, oink. Yeah. Oh. They're a pretty group of characters. Wait. This farm has a dinosaur on it?
No, he was a baby.
A baby dinosaur?
Mom, here. I was holding you.
Aw.
He's my Molly.
His name's Nelly?
Yeah.
Aw.
He's a sister.
He is?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I'm not sure which one that is. It's not up on my dinosaurs.
No, these Ceratops.
Ceratops?
Yeah,
Ceratops?
He's my money. He's a baby.
Oh, okay. And you're looking after him, right?
Yeah. I put him like that.
Okay. He's right down there? Ah. Is he waking everybody up?
No, he was holding mommy.
Hey, you.
No, that's mine.
That's yours. I don't get to play the cow.
You play with this.
I get the fireman. Hi, I'm Mr. Fireman. Hi, Daphne.
Oink. Me.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
These my hennos.
Yeah, they're your animals.
This my Molly. This my Minnie. This my mother.
Oh, cool.
These.
Are they all part of your farm?
Yeah. Right? I miss all these bears of them. See, he's so nice. Why? The second, he's a horse, he's a pig, he's the cow.
Is he the farmer?
Yeah.
Oh, so he looks after all these guys. He feeds them?
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I named Dolly.
Dolly? Cool.
I was these eyes.
He's with these guys? Oh, that's ice.
Step and stone.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, I had my sunshine. I had high grades and my cloud and my baby and my horsey and my second. You don't have high grades.
Oh, my guy doesn't have ice skates?
Yeah.
Everybody else has ice skates?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I better be careful. Oh, no. Ah, see, I fell down. Hey, I want ice skates too.
I have some high grades.
Oh, here, put them on. Here, take them on. Thank you very much.
What?
Boy, hey, where's Mr. Cool Horse? Where'd he go? I'm getting dizzy watching him. Oh, the chicken's doing some ice skating. What about Mr. Pig? And the cow. Wow. Whoa, that was a trick. And now, It's Farmer's turn.
What happened, boy?
Cool.
I'm just so why I take Reggie's horse and a second and a baggy and a cow. This is a little baby cow.
It's a little baby. Oh, it's a calf?
No, he's a baby.
No, that's a baby cow. It's a calf, sweetie.
Why?
That's what they call them. And then they grow up to be cows. Right?
Yeah, he's a dog. I don't have the dog. I have this little baby one. This little baby. He still has ice weights. I had some diet weights.
That's a puppy dog?
Yeah, he has ice weights.
He has ice skates too?
Yeah, Daddy fed him.
Oh.
He's a baby. He with ice.
Ah!
He with weight. You don't have to have this weight. There's a high dose.
Well, can anybody teach him how to skate over there? I think I could. Put one foot up. Slide carefully. You want to try it? Oh, he's doing very good now, isn't he?
Good boy. I need a big dog.
Okay, I think you have a bunch of dogs in there, don't you?
That's all there is. There isn't any.
Okay. His name is Sully?
Yeah, he's a dog. He's a little baby, tiny and small. He's rolled up. I don't have this weight.
Oh, what happened to him?
You don't have this weight. He still has this weight.
Oh, he doesn't know how to skate?
Yeah.
Oh, is the farmer going to teach him?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty doggy.
You teach him.
Does Seng-kyi know how to skate?
You teach him.
Okay, I'll teach him. Okay. Got this big mountain of Seng-kyi in front of us. Okay, put one foot in front of the other. Hey, don't get too tricky. Now you're doing tricks. You're very good. You're a better skater than I am. Fall down.
He stumped.
It happens when you skate, Daphne. Every now and then you fall down.
No, he stumped.
He jumped? Oh, okay.
He's a dog. Why his name is Sully.
His name is Sully?
Yeah, he's dog, but he run and he bite.
Oh, wow.
See, he's amazing.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
is.
he sounds so hard like that. He's swimming in the water, splash down, and he stands.
Oh, okay. So he's... Hey, Mr. Doggy. Oh,
He has some teeth. He has some teeth.
oh, okay.
He do roll this beat. Bye.
Bye-bye.